How to upload horizontal video on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on a device. Log into your account. Now head towards the home screen. Now tap the plus button at bottom center of the screen. Now from your gallery, you simply need to choose the horizontal photo or video. So by default, Instagram crops horizontal videos into a square format. Now you can simply tap on the expand icon, that is two outward facing arrows located at the bottom center of the screen or bottom left corner of the screen of the video preview. So it will simply expand your video to fit the screen in its original horizontal format, and then you need to tap on the next button. Before that, you can edit your video by adding captions, tags, or any other edits you'd like to make to your video. When you are finished editing, tap the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. And again, here you can easily finalize your post by adding the caption, tagging peoples, adding locations, and after that, tap on share to post your horizontal video on Instagram. And you have successfully uploaded a horizontal video on Instagram without it being cropped into a square. So this simple tricks ensures your audience can enjoy your widescreen content in its entirety. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.